How to change Shopee username. First, you have to go to a search engine and in the search bar type in SHOPEE. Now you have to go to this first website, that is Shopee.com. You have to now choose your country or from which country your account belongs to. So I'll go ahead and click on Thailand. You will be redirected to the Shopee homepage, and from here you have to go to your profile. It is here at the top right corner of the homepage. From the left side of the screen you have to click on My Account, and here at the very top you can change your username. But please keep in mind that you can only change your username once, and after it has been done you cannot undo it. So you just have to type on username and give yourself a new one. After you are done, you just have to click on Save. It will now again notify you that the username can only be changed once, and if you are sure, go ahead and click on OK. So there you have it. That is how you change Shopee username. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.